Welcome back to our another video of Simatic Manager series of video. That earlier video we have talked about the hardware. We have configured some TIDO module, AIO module. Also we have add the additional rack, universal rack to show how we can increase your module by universal rack, and we have connect the universal rack, additional rack to our CPU by using interface module. Okay, today we will discuss, we have added the IO module. Now we will discuss about the program, and that program will found inside the CPU. In S7 program there are two objects. By default it will show two objects. One is the source. In source folder it will be empty by default, and in this source folder you can generate the text type source, that STL, SCL or graph source, and in one SCL source you can write multiple function. When you compile that source code, it will generate the function in block. One day we will show. And second object is called block. Inside that block, your all function user program will available here. Okay, and what type of user program? If I right click this empty space, it will show that dialog, open that dialog, and from that insert new object we can see that our organization block, function data block, that user program you can create here. Also data type, that data type is called user defined data type. You know that our data type can be boolean, bool type, integer type, real type, string type, different data type. But user defined data type, in one data type you can write multiple data inside one data type, and that is called user defined data type, your own data type. And here variable table, that variable table used for checking the signal status, that it is true or false, or the value, how current value is there. One day I will show, not one day, in soon we will show. And there is another object hidden in program. If you click on S7 program, you can see the other object is called symbol. If you open this symbol, you can see the, here you can write your address symbol name. That by currently there are three objects in program here, so that symbol name, cyclic execution, programming error, module access error, that is called the symbolic name. That object you can find in symbol table here. Okay, here you can also rename your block. That one can be your motor ready bit, that if you connect your motor ready input signal to input module and the address I0.0, then it will be look like this. And motor ready, motor run, if you connect it to I0.1, so you can define your address here as a symbol. Also you can write your symbol in program also, I will show. Okay, this is called the symbol table, and that symbol table will not appear here. You will find when you select S7 program, it will show here. Okay. So in block there are three objects. There are three blocks. One is OB1, OB121, OB122. When we create the project, these three block we have taken. Okay. And OB1 is called the cyclic execution block, and this is the main execution block. And OB1 is the interface of your user program. Normally you will not create your program in OB1. You will create as a function or function block, and that function and function block will call in OB1, and your CPU operating system will execute OB1, and that way your program, all program will execute. Okay, in next video I'll create a simple program and execute in OB1. How OB1 is work, I'll show you. Thank you.